Hi, this is David. After about 5 years, our old brake controller failed, so we're going to tear it out in this video and install a Reese Brakeman IV controller in our F150. Cut it off on the side so they'll use the same wire scheme when you wire up the replacement. And I'm hanging on to the factory end of the harness. I'm going to reuse it. We'll need some butt splices and a crimper. Let's pop this open and have a look what we have here. Some screws. There's a mounting bracket. We're going to see if we can use the old one. This one comes with wired with a plug, but it doesn't fit into this vehicle. I could not find an adapter, so I'm just going to splice it into the Ford harness. And we'll cut this off right near the plug so we don't lose much wire length. Here are the controller wires and functions to help you wire it into your factory harness. Just strip them all like that. The blue and the black wires are a heavier gauge. Black is power. Black goes to red on the harness. Strip that as well. Got a good tug. Next we'll do blue, trailer brake. Goes to blue on the harness. Okay, ground is white to white. And the stoplight, red to green. Take care here not to use the red wire with a green stripe. It'll destroy the unit. Won't fit. It's a little different, but we already have holes drilled in there. So we'll just take this one out. Okay, these are self-tapping screws. It's a choice of two different holes to use. And then repeat on the other side. Okay, just plug it in then. And then we'll dress the wires up under here. Slip this into place. Get these tied up in here with a zip tie. Okay, with the trailer hooked up, we can test the unit out. Gain is like power to the brakes, and sync is the timing. How long after you hit the brakes that the trailer brakes engage. So I'm going to put it about in the middle and then take it for a test drive. Okay, so set it up either aggressively or in a more smooth braking fashion, depending on the road conditions and your needs. Happy and safe trailering. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful material.